Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, we will explore how to talk to another parent in school during parents-teachers meeting and do a basic conversation. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend repeating the phrases along with us. Let's begin. Happy learning. Hi there. How have you been? Hello. I've been good, busy with the kids. How about you? Same here. Are you here for the parent-teacher meeting too? Yes, just wanted to check on my son's progress. How's your daughter doing? She's doing well. Loves her new teacher, that's great to hear. We should plan a playdate for them. Definitely. They'd love that, hope so.